you for waiting.
This is Dora,
Hello.
the woman behind 5 Cazuelas. For her, this taco truck is more than a business. It's a labor of love,
I love it.
a tribute to her roots,
Yo tengo tacos.
and proof of what's possible when passion meets persistence.
I like this one too.
This is the world of 5 Cazuelas. It's not just about tacos, it's about resilience, connection,
Buenos, buenos.
and the flavors of a life well lived. Before we dive into the hustle of the day, let's rewind to... I'm so excited. I'm going to see Dora! We used to work together at Cali. Back then, Dora was the only female chef in the kitchen, holding down the toughest station. And I was just a newbie, in awe of her skills and presence. For the next few days, I'll be crushing a door space so I can see everything. The early mornings, the late nights, and everything in between. I couldn't just show up empty-handed, so I brought her a little handmade surprise. I'll show you guys later.
Buenos días. You want just by itself or you want chia?
Chia. Why is the chia sitting in the microwave?
Oh. We don't use the microwave, so it's kind of like a storage for...
It's another cabinet! What happened here?
Oh, so here is the sprouts.
Well, we see a different stage of use.
My lashes.
How do you do it?
It's like very Mexican. Kind of weird. You have a spoon, kind of just
You work
go
so
like
well.
that. Okay, now we go back. I mean, if you're in the sun,
The day's first duties are done, but Dora's work has only just begun.
okay, getting some tortillas. Hola, buenos días. Bien, ¿y usted?
Bien, gracias a Dios.
Bien. Gracias. Gracias.
Tacos varios.
Tacos de guisado.
Next, I'm about to discover a place I never even knew existed. But first, say hello to its patrol officer, Señorita Pancha. Welcome to the Commissary. Far more than just a parking lot. A commissary is where food trucks like Dora's plug in for electricity,
So this will keep the fridge going.
fill up on water,
The water tank is up there. It's 20 gallons.
and load up on ice.
Buenos, buenos.
What's the name of the movie?
Oh, bueno, sí. He brought tea. That's Vicente. He's always so nice. 1, 2, 3. My backup gloves, very important. I'm just gonna get ready the stews. This is the tinga. This one is the cochinita. Yeah, this is the rajas one. A little butter. And this is the stock. So I'm gonna add to all. The ones we get there, they're gonna be in pots and just ready to be heat up. So I don't have to worry about that. Yes, this is called Kernel of the Truth. So they're organic blue corn heirloom tortillas. Yeah, they're really good. You can taste the corn. They're like very flexible. Like they don't break so easily with the stews.
After the quick round of final prep, only a few more steps left before hitting the road.
And this has a lock. So in case it wants to open, I turn the terminal on. And then to secure the register, I don't know if they work, but these ones are like door stops, so kind of, I always like make sure that everything is safe. Turn off the lights. This is the gas for the generator. Hopefully I don't spill. This needs to be all the way up, so when I'm driving, it doesn't hit the floor. You just go like this, and then you have the chains secured to the truck. Before I remove the electricity, I turn off the brakes.
Alright, that's about 100 tasks before anyone even sees her truck. Now that the warm-ups are done, let's kick off the day for real. To start, Dora levels the trailer with these homemade wood boards and cranks it out, relieving the truck's load. Then she powers up, plugging in the generator and opening the propane tank. Next, she quickly sets up each station and gets the stews heating. At the same time, she moves outside, arranging tables and chairs for her customers. Jumping in and out of the truck, she keeps a close eye on the simmering food, tasting every single dish, making every second count as she works efficiently to get everything done. In just 30 minutes, she's ready to welcome her first customers.
Hola, buenas tardes. ¿Tienes tortas? No tengo tortas, tengo tacos. Tenemos dos opciones de pollo, una de puerco y dos vegetarianos. Ok, gracias, Mónica. Hello, Patrick. Good, and you? Nice to see you.
This is my friend Jared. Jared's
Hello,
he's gonna eat your food, and he's gonna come all the time now.
Aww. I hope so.
The first of many.
Oh, okay. That sounds good. Thank you. Thank you for spreading the word.
Oh yeah, of course.
Okay, and let me get you a punch
Great.
card. Thank you, Jared.
Thank you.
Okay. So we have 11 tacos. 11 tacos. I'm gonna warm up the tortillas. 6, 7. Merle sauce. First one, cochinita. Yeah. When we are busy, it helps me to have the tickets here so I can see better. I'll take this before it starts popping. Okay, now I go this way. Pickled red onion for the cochinita. So I start with layers when I do the toppings. And now for the tinga, the avocado. Now for the pipián, I do the pepitas. For the rajas, cheese. Now I start with the sprouts. It's a little easier to work with layers. And I finish up with flowers. All of them. So I'm gonna give this to the lady. Mónica? Okay. ¿Tienes? Y esa es salsa de habanero para la cochinita. Está picosita. Ok, gracias. Gracias, provechito. Hiroki. Patrick? This one is yours. Thank you, thank you. And Jared? Jared?
Thanks so much.
Thank you so much. And that's a fermented habanero sauce for the cochinita. It's a little spicy, just to let you know.
Good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. So after that, I'm gonna do my prep list and then I'm gonna start cooking. These are the morita peppers for the tinga. It's like smoky and sweet at the same time. It's my favorite. I fry them really quick because if you leave them for long, they get bitter.
Oh, I can smell it.
Yeah, and now I can use this oil for the caramelized onion. So I'm gonna char this with the pipián. Stay! Don't run!
Now, you've got a sense of what service time is like for Dora. There's charring, toasting, washing, cutting, steaming, blanching, sweating, peeling, blending, filtering.
Kind of miss the meringue gelato with the coffee.
Non-stop.
This one, and then I'm gonna work on the soy chorizo.
All while taking orders,
So 2 boxes, right?
plating, serving,
Thank you!
washing dishes,
Ricardo!
consolidating, and cleaning as she goes.
I always clean.
I don't think you worked here today.
I did, I swear.
This is Dora in her element. 15 years of dedication and learning come alive in his 5 seamless hours each day. But the day is far from over. Every day at closing, Dora resets everything, scrubs and cleans each station. What's harder than working in a kitchen? Working in a moldboard kitchen, mostly by yourself. Each night, she drives the truck back to the commissary,
All the way back.
expertly squeezes into a tight parking spot,
Go to the front.
finishes the dishes, clears out the truck to clean the floors, and polishes every inch until it shines.
Shiny, shiny.
No way. Is it honestly that shine thing?
Yeah.
Do you think other taco trucks clean it like this every day?
I don't know. Maybe I'm a little crazy. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Up too soon.
After a long day at the truck, there's nothing quite like the comfort of a homemade meal.
I'm hungry.
Finally, a moment to unwind and to savor the simple joys of the everyday.
We've been married 15 years, and we've been together 20,
Maybe like 22.
like 22 years.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. We wanted to do the guisados, which are like very traditional where we're from. Yeah, it's more traditional for like lunch, and we also wanted to have the same hours.
I wanted to show Doris. It's sharp. It went through the tire like all the way. Yeah.
However, not every evening is filled with these quiet, gentle rhythms. On my last day, I was lucky to witness them team up to cater a special event.
I don't know if you remember back in the day, before service, it's a little. And then everything gets okay, or not. Everything is heated up. Feeling so much better.
Mírala. Pipián verde y rajas.
Pipián verde rajas.
So I was like picking the flowers, like.
With that one?
Yeah, with this
No
one.
mames.
I couldn't find this. I was like, I opened that drawer. Muchas gracias.
I'm gonna get more later when I.
Sounds great.
Hey. Hello. Oh. Ahorita está. Tinga cochinita.
Gracias. I think it's a challenge because people are just like so used to like tacos al pastor or tacos de asada, which are very good. But I want to show people that we have more than that. I want to offer something different, something traditional from where I'm from. And even though I have like not enough customers, when I see people happy and they're coming back, it's like, okay, it's okay. I can keep going, yeah. And I know it's taking a long time, but hopefully it'll be okay. Hello. Stew pot in Spanish is cazuela. This is so beautiful. Oh my God, how many are there?
Dora and Bernardo created 5 cazuelas to spend more time together and build something of their own. Running a taco truck takes grit, sacrifice, and strength. But what truly sets 5 cazuelas apart from all the excellent taco trucks in Los Angeles is their pride in their roots, their connection to the community, a downright stubbornness in maintaining their identity and standards of service. And perhaps, most of all, the love and respect for each other.
That was so close.